Hi there, scrappers and crafters. Christine here from Bugmark Creations. Just wanted to show you a couple things that I've been working on today. So I started out with this really cute wreath, and it is super small. It's not very big. It's maybe 4 inches across, so it's pretty tiny. And I just used scraps. So just a piece of my Christmas tree fell off. Which sucks because it's brand new, but it was only one branch, so it wasn't too big of a deal. So just wrapped it around and then tied it and added a little tile and then added a fancy little bow, put a little thing in there, and then just little bits and bobs that I had. Added a couple rhinestones up here just to add a little bit of shimmer, and it's super cute. And it's kind of hanging on my fireplace, but that's not where it's going to stay. I just wanted to put it there to show you. And then I made this. I don't recall who I saw this from, but it's dollar store stuff. And this was actually a card. And I just pulled this piece off. It's a card that stood about yay high. And I just took it off of there. Super easy to pull it off. And then I couldn't find a metal tin. So I found this really cute glass star jar. And I decided to put it on there and just cut it into strips that I could find and added the little things on there. This back part here is actually one of those cutting boards that come as a set of 2 at the Dollar Tree. And then I grabbed some beads that I had in my stash and just went around it 3 times. I went around the outside first, just because the star part right here, you can kind of see it's a little bit bigger than I wanted it to, but I couldn't cut it down any further, so I just glued it on. I used super glue first, and then I used hot glue to seal it up. And then did the trim around the edges twice, and then I decided that I needed something else, so I added one on the top so it has a little bit of depth. And I love the way it turned out. But the best thing about this is I put some of these dollar store lights in it, and they are super cute. And this thing, when it's lit up, is absolutely gorgeous. It looks so pretty. I'm going to turn the light off of my camera and show you what it looks like in the dark. It's really pretty. So I'll be right back. There we go. It's super cute. I love how it looks. So anyways, I hope you all like this. And let me know what you think about those 2 projects. And I'll show you a couple other things a little bit later. Bye.